In this video, I will show you how to use expert option mobile trading. So we have in here our expert option mobile app open. And in order to trade, you have the option to choose in here your investment. I'll choose in here around $100. And you can also choose in here the trading that you want. It can be Smarty, Ethereum, or anything that you want. It can be also stocks as well. For this one, I'll just trade with US dollars or euro. I'll choose in here the selling sector. And once I have wagered something, let's just see if we actually earn after this. So the goal when you're selling is to stay below in here onto this part. And as you can see, I'm losing right now. But since I'm using a demo account, it will not affect my standing. So let's just wait for this right here. Now, from in there, let's just wait that it drops down after this. But if it's not, we will not earn anything and we will actually have lowered or reduced $100. As you can see, I haven't earned anything after this.